What's up, you bunch of weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, so listen, it's looking good. Market's looking good. Altcoins are looking good. This is 2 days in a row, 2 evenings in a row where things are looking pretty good. Little by little, guys, if we can continue to accumulate green, 10%, 9%, 15%, 20% on these altcoins over the course of the next couple of days, the week is going to start to look pretty good. Before you know it, your portfolio is going to look fantastic. We got the daily close that we needed, better than we needed on Bitcoin. Let's get into it, guys. Let's have a look around the market. Jasmy up 2.6% on the day, down 1.6% on the week, 21 on the month, but up 36% on the year. We're down one spot in rank to 79 with a $106 billion market cap, 36 million in volume. Going over to XDN, down 5.2%. On the day, 16.8 on the week, up 62.2 on the month, and up 1,045 on the year. We're down 8 spots in rank to 113, $627 million market cap, and 73 million in volume. SwiftCoin, where is our SwiftCoin? Down 4.5% on the day, 11% on the week, up 126% on the month, and up 592% on the year. Down 14 spots in rank to 255 with a $180 million market cap, 8 million in volume. ZBEC, where is our ZBEC? Here it is, 6.7% down on the day, 52.5 up on the week, 113% up on the month. Down 24 spots in rank to 319 with a $129 million market cap, 25 million in volume. We're going to jump right over to the Bitcoin chart before anything else, guys, because we got the close that we needed, okay? And I wanted to see, not only did I want to see a close above the 100-day SMA, which is this purple line here, but I also wanted to see a close above $97,000, and we did that. We closed at about $98,300. So here we are, guys. We have officially put in the highest daily close for about 18 days or so. Okay, so very, very bullish. We have bucked this downtrend, this sideways action. Now the true test comes in. Okay, we've had 2 green candles, nice decent sized green candles in a row. We need to get this daily candle here over not only the 30-day SMA at 99,138, but above this $100,000 level. I told you guys earlier in the week that it was a very strong possibility that what we were going to do was pull down to $92,000 to $93,000, which we did. We pulled down to 93,000, and then we pulled our way all the way back up. And I said we would either close this week but around $101,000 to $102,000, or if we didn't get there by the end of this week, we should get there at least by next week after the weekend's over, right? So far so good. We called it down to 92, 93. We nailed it. Now we're working our way back to the upside here. If you don't believe me, go back and check from check from 4 days ago on my nightly videos. You'll see exactly. I called it exactly like this. Not pumping my own tires. I'm just saying you guys knew exactly what to expect here, right? So hopefully you guys were DCAing and scooping up these opportunities, guys, because now what we want to see on this next daily candle tomorrow that we're building on, which is green right now, we want to see more progress to the upside. We want to see at minimum, I want to see a daily close above the 30-day SMA at 99,100. Let's see strength continue to come back into this market. That would be fantastic, right? That would be fantastic. I would hate to see us slip and come back down again and continue to ping pong. Let's see that strength continue. Get over $100,000, 101, 102 by the middle of next week at the latest. Hopefully, nothing's written in stone. But if you look at it though, guys, look at this structure here in Bitcoin. Now I want to show you something. Look at the structure on Jasmy. It is exactly correlated, right? Well, not exactly. I mean, Jasmy hasn't put in a higher high yet, but we're working our way up along with Bitcoin, sitting at 2 cents 198 right now. if Bitcoin does make that break up over $100,000, guys, look for Jasmy to make a move up above this level here where we found resistance at 2 cents 317. We should get above there. Hopefully, again here, we want to break above the 30-day SMA at 2 cents 422. Okay, so keep all eyes are on Bitcoin right now because Jasmy is going to follow Bitcoin in its next, in its recent soon-to-be moves. I'm wording it wrong because I'm tired because it's 1 a.m. Anyway, Jasmy's going to follow Bitcoin. Okay, so stay glued to your screen for that. Going over to XCN. So with XCN, Onyx Coin, and Swift, we could actually see a little more downside first, to be honest with you. We could see us sweep the lows here down. We could get down to about 1.5 cents, but we would still be inside of our bull flag here, down in this descending channel. So there would be nothing to worry about if we do pull down there. We were discussing this over on the Patreon earlier tonight, and I said, guys, look, if you want to get a price down there, if you think it's going to go down there, why would you not just put in a buy order in case it wicks down there when you're sleeping or something like that? You might be able to catch a nice little scoop up with a sweep of the lows. If it comes down there, I don't think it's going to stay there, guys. It would be a fairly quick recovery. But I could see and almost want to see Swift and XCN sweep those lows at 1.5 cents. Both of them right around that 1.5 cents to 1 cent 4. That would be a perfect little sweep of the lows and then a recovery to the upside. As we can see on Swift here, guys, a nice move up to the golden pockets, between, like, I think we could come right up here between the 786 and the 618, and then like maybe what we would commonly see, right? We could come up into this area and then pull back down between the 50 and the 618, maybe build up a level of consolidation right in this area, right? Very, very realistic move, guys. So pay attention for that. But again, could see a sweep of the lows first. 1 cent 5, 1 cent 4, entirely possible. In fact, I would welcome it. I might even put in some buy orders down at those levels just in case it does, right? Better safe than sorry. Now, Zbex seems to be doing something similar to what Onyx Coin did before last month, right? We seem to be building a little bit of a symmetrical triangle here, right? Just ping pong in this area, maybe for a few more days before making the next move to the upside. That would be fantastic. Now, if that played out that way, what would we be looking at? Well, we'd probably be looking at a move around. Let me just do this because people are always asking me, where's the next move going to be? Well, if we ping pong here, we break out a little bit later. Next move, potentially somewhere up around that 2025 level, right? That's where I would be targeting on a breakout if we spend some time ping ponging here, right? Build up some strength, build up some consolidation before the next move up. So that's what I would be paying attention to there. That would be probably somewhere around like a 49-50% move to the upside. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'd buy that for $1, right? All right, what else do we have? A couple of brief things to cover, guys. This here from NeoXtrix. He says, they say Jasmy's a scam. I say it's written in black and white under the law of Japan. As you can see, Jasmy Incorporated, a company incorporated under the laws of Japan. So there you have it, guys. Somebody had tried to argue with me in the comment section before saying, I heard that Jasmy was legally compliant in Japan years ago, but it's not anymore. Why would it not be anymore? Like, did they do something? They haven't changed anything about the project. So anyway, here it is in black and white, right? Jasmy is the only legally compliant and regulated crypto in Japan. Hands down, proof is in the pudding. What else do we have? All right, this from Mr. Cena 1980. He says, Jasmy team has bought almost 24 million Jasmy coins to give them as a reward for holders on Junction's network for operating nodes. We've covered this, right? They're doing a buyback right now. I don't see what proof else you need to show you how this will be big in the coming days, weeks, months, and years. Jasmy is ready to rumble. I could not agree more with that sentiment, guys. They've literally started a buyback program and nobody's talking about it, it seems like, except for me. I've not seen one other video from one other content creator talking about the fact that Jasmy has just initiated a buyback. Hello? Am I ringing any bells here? Know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, listen up. If I came over and I told you, look, if I provided you with the opportunity to join our community for 30 days, right? And you could get into our chats with all of the other people, all 1,800 other people in our community, 1,800 plus people in our community, continuing to grow at an exponential rate. And you could get in early on gems. By the way, guys, I just dropped another gem over on the Patreon tonight, like an hour ago. So get over there, get in early on these plays. If I told you you could jump over into our community for 30 days, right? You could be involved with everybody there, have all the fun, have all the conversations. It's a phenomenal time. You could get in early on all of these gems like Zebek, like XCN, like Swift, and so many others that we called over the last 12 months that we got into and made massive gains on. I just dropped another gem over there tonight, right? And we're looking at 6 other gems that we're mass accumulating right now for profits that are going to come in the next weeks and months ahead. If you could get in early, you could look at all of these gems. You could choose which ones you wanted to get into before they pump, right? And you could join our live group video calls that we host every single evening over on the Patreon. And you could book one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally, get help with your exit strategies, your profit-taking plans, and everything else. And all I wanted from you in return was for you to buy me a Happy Meal. Would you buy me a Happy Meal? Yeah, of course you would buy me a Happy Meal. That's a hell of a deal, right? That's a hell of a deal. And I can promise you 2 things, okay? Well, I can promise you 3 things, actually, okay? The first is you jump over and you don't like it, guess what? You can leave anytime. You're not locked in. You just, you know what? This isn't for me. See you later. Boom, done, right? That's guarantee number 1. Guarantee number 2 is that, quite simply put, you're going to learn something that's going to help you be a better trader and investor in crypto. 100% you will learn something valuable over there, no matter what. And number 3, once you become a part of our community, you engage with the rest of the community, you see how much euphoria is over there, how much money everybody's making, and how much fun everyone's having doing it. Guys, we just, in the last month, we helped 28 Patreon members hit 7-digit portfolios. Okay? 7 digits. If you can have an opportunity to do that, and all it will cost you is the price of a Happy Meal, why wouldn't you take the chance? Because if you hopped in, you learned something, you had a little bit of fun, you experienced something, and it only costed you the price of a Happy Meal at the end of the day. And then you can walk away and say, it wasn't for me. But you're not going to want to leave. I promise you that. You're not going to want to leave, right? While all these other content creators are charging you between $100 and $1,000, believe it or not, I just want you to buy me a Happy Meal. So check it out, guys. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. The link is down below in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.